Two executive members of Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad have been arrested by Manipur police from North Delhi on the charge of making communal remarks against a particular religious group. They were brought back to Imphal today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today inaugurated a dedicated COVID block at the Premier Government Hospital, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jennings, Porompat today. The new dedicated COVID block at Jennings is the third one in the state, and the government is planning to put 100 beds in the block. India has so far recorded 97,67,371 confirmed COVID-19 cases, including 1,41,772 deaths. A media report said a total of 92,53,306 patients have recovered as per the latest data from the Union Health Ministry. However, there are 3,72,293 active cases in the country, which comprise 3.81% of the total cash flow. A commando team of Imphal West led by DSP S.R. Shimre conducted counter-insurgency operation at Thangal Bazaar in Imphal city this morning. The commando team during the operation searched Shiroi Hotel, Hotel Avenue, Hotel Nongin, Kangla Inn, Hotel City Heart, Mas Hotel, Mayur Hotel, Apollo Hotel, Hotel Yashna and Hotel City Center. However, no one was detained, police said. Ahana Project NCPI Plus organized an ANC HIV screening camp today at Primary Health Center More. Technopol District Surveillance Officer Dr. Laksom Faida, Primary Health Center More Medical Officer in Charge Dr. KH Santikumar, Ahana Project Officer L. Lina and ASA workers attended the event.